Hello there everyone, this is Brother Birch. In this video, I will be introducing the week 3 personal assignment activity, which is the PHP shopping cart. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. So it says create a simple PHP application to simulate a shopping cart. Okay, if you follow these guidelines, you get 93%, get 100 if you go above and beyond. All right, so here's a couple of the things that we have to do. So it says browse items. On the browse items page, the user sees a list of items they can add to their cart and purchase. Again, the kind of items and the formatting of this page is up to you. Okay, but there should be a button or a link to add an item to the cart. Doing so should store the item in some way in the session. Okay, so for this, we did a loop in the stretch activity for the team assignment. So I would encourage you to, maybe come up with a couple of items, make an array or something to be able to have several items pop up on the page dynamically, and then have a button to be able to add them to the cart. Okay, and then you have to be able to store that in the session. So I would Google how to store session variables in PHP. Okay, you'll see some stuff come up in W3 Schools that have some really good information for you. Okay, along with that, one thing that I would do is throw these into their own folders. Okay, so we have the teamwork that we did with the student get. Go ahead and leave that in its own folder and make a personal folder for you to get started on this assignment, just so that it's easily to find everything and stay nice and organized. And then also in your assignments page, don't forget to include links to those. So I'll just say personal activity shopping cart. Okay, and that'll go into my assignments page under week 3. So it's easy for me to find that. Okay, next one, view cart. Your browser page should contain a link to view the cart. On the view cart page, the user can see all the items that are in their cart, provide a way to remove individual items from the cart. Okay, so you need, when you're adding items to your session, you'll be able to reference that same session variable to see what items that they put in their cart. Okay, and then you need a way to be able to remove those items from the session, or from their cart, and save that in your session as well. The view cart page should have a link to return to the browse page for more shopping and a link to continue to the checkout page. Okay, so we got a couple of pages going on here. The checkout page should ask the user for the different components of their address. All right, no credit card or personal information or other purchase information is collected, just an address. Um, and then, so that'll be pretty similar to the assignment that we did last week, where we had that form, talking to the user about, or getting information from the user about their major continents that they visited. So I would recommend you just go to the Bootstrap forms page, just Google Bootstrap forms, and this will come up. And they might even have something in here for, yeah, look at this whole beautiful form for address. And you can use this as kind of a starting point for this page. Okay. Confirmation page. After completing the purchase from the checkout page, the user is shown a confirmation page. It should display all the items that they purchased as well as the address to which it will be shipped. Okay. And then make sure to check for malicious injection, especially from free entry fields like the address. So for this one, with making sure that there's no malicious injection, we have looked at that before, but that will be using the HTML special characters. So, and if you have any questions on that, just let me know. But we have used it in previous assignments as well. So, and with that, I guess we can look into this as well. Well, we can do that in another video. But if you have any questions, just let me know. I hope that this was helpful for getting you started.